How to fix Instagram network request failed, please try again later, issue solved. If any day you're an Instagram user and you face a like problem like this in Instagram and you're quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to find the Instagram application on your mobile device and then tap on Instagram like this. After that, it'll take you to interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the eye out there. After you tap on the option of the eye, that is app information, you have to go to the option of notifications. After tapping a notification, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of permissions. And tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, and photos and videos. Now you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable, open the supported links, and then go back again and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, now if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and clear it out. Now you can go back once again and then go to the option of app details and store. After you tap on app details and store, you can send the very email about your very network issue to the very Instagram out there. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Play Store out there. After searching Play Store out there in the search icon, you have to search Instagram, and when you search Instagram out there, it will take you to an interface like this. If you see the option of update, you have to update it because sometimes not updating it may also create a problem like this. And after you update it and wait for a while, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.